This is how I was able to fix my Messenger app logging out problem. So if you're having problems that your Messenger app that it keeps logging you out, well then keep watching. So basically what we need to do firstly is to go to the App Store if you have an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you have an Android, of course. And then we're just gonna wait for it to load here and then click on search. So click on search and then search for Messenger here and click on the Messenger app here when it comes. So you're gonna scroll down and click on the Messenger app. So you can see I have this blue button in here where it says open, right? But before it actually said update for me. So I had to click on that update button to be able to update my Facebook Messenger app to its absolute most up-to-date settings basically. And that fixed it for me. So if you have an update button here, perfect. If it just says open for you as it does for me now, that means that it actually already is up to date. What you can try if it still is not working for you is to swipe like this on your phone and then click on your airplane mode symbol and then disable it after about 5 to 10 seconds. Now try again and hopefully now it's going to work for you as well.